Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I am about to do a really very small haul for you. I just wanted to show you what I have picked up this weekend. Because these things, I'm going to be putting them away. Because some of the things I got, I won't be using until next year. Because they were on sale they were Valentine's Day. Jesus. They were Halloween sale items. So, if you're here for candles, let's do that first, and then I'll show you, we'll go from there. So, this weekend, I went to Kroger. I just got back from the store, that's why I kind of look a little, I just threw some lipstick on, so here we are. Kroger had their Halloween 70% off, and that included candles, and I don't know how I didn't see all these cool Halloween themed candles for Kroger before Halloween. But I didn't notice them. So I noticed them today at 70% off. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. 3 of them rang up original price at $9, and it's supposed to be $9.99, but they rang up at $9.09. I don't know. And then one of the candles was $13.99. We'll start with the $9.09. It's supposed to be $9.99. This one is, so are they all Tuscany candles? I'm not sure about that one. I think they are all Tuscany brand. So this first one is Spooky Pumpkin Spice. It has the cute, look, it's got glitter lid. And the pumpkins are shiny. They're not flat against the container, and they're glittery. Pretty cool. Let's see if this has notes. No. Let's see what it says on the front. Soy blend scented candle with essential oils. No notes really. It just says Spooky Pumpkin Spice. It's a 3-wick, orange, and it does have that pumpkin smell. Yeah, it smells kind of pumpkin spice. Yeah, it smells nice. I will review these next year, come Halloween, when I burn them. But since Halloween is now over, these are going into my drawer where I put my extras for next year. So that's the first one. The second one in the same theme of container is the Monster Cookies. Monster Cookies, again, it has, there's glitter on the lid, but there's not glitter on the actual jar of the candle. The eyes are clear, so as you burn, they're going to glow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So, I don't know the notes, but to me, it smells like cookies. It smells a little bit, it smells like gingerbread cookies to me, actually. It's more what it smells like to me. I would have thought this would be like a Christmas, because it does smell kind of gingerbread to me, but that's okay. I will save it for Halloween of next year. The 909 candles rang up to cost $3.90. $3.90 for these. This one I was shocked. It rang up at $9.09 too. It's a bigger jar. This one is Sweet and Spooky Spiced Candy Apple. It's a 2-wick. Yeah, it smells like apple. Is there notes? No. It does. It smells like an apple candle to me. I don't smell any spice though. That's okay. That's very fall smelling. But yeah, so that's nice. And then the last one, like I said, that would be $3.90. Not bad, not bad, huh? And then the last candle I got, this one was $13.99, so I got it for $6. And it says it's Holiday Home. It's not a Tuscany, it's a different brand. Holiday Home Witch's Brew. On the bottom of this candle it says $19.99. Maybe it was originally $19.99, went on sale for $13.99, and then the sale price. Do these have original prices on the bottom? No. I don't really know. $19.99 on the bottom of this candle. Says on my receipt it was $13.99, and then I got it for $6. Not bad, but look, isn't this cool? It's this, I love this glossy apothecary jar. It says Witch's Brew since 1692. This is going to become decor. It's a one wick. It's not as strong smelling though. I don't think the throw on this is going to be very strong. It smells a little spicy though. I can smell some spice. Okay, my battery died, and then I put in a new battery, got it all set up, and I thought I was filming and I wasn't. So I think I was talking about this candle, and yes, it does have a spicy scent to it. It is not strong, but personally I just purchased this candle for the container. Let's be real. It's like the candle was just a bonus. But yeah, I like this, and this will look great in my decor. So I will just, these are going to be put away back into a drawer where I keep my extras. And if they have more next week, I might buy them, especially if they mark them down more. They had a ton. My Kroger had a ton of candles. I swear, I didn't see them before Halloween. I don't know where they had them sitting. I didn't see them before Halloween, but they have a ton of them. So I bet there'll be candles next week. We'll see what I end up getting. Now, other than that, I did pick up a new concealer, because when I started doing my makeup baskets, I only have a couple concealers. I used one up, and I bought a Makeup Forever concealer, and now that's half gone. My CoverGirl one is getting really low, so I thought, well, I'm gonna pick up this Wet n Wild one and see how it does. So Wet n Wild Incognito Mega Last All Day Full Coverage Concealer. We will try that out. What color did I grab? Light beige. So we'll see how that works. Now, this morning when we first went out, near my house is an events building they use for all kinds of things. This is where our library has their book sale. Well, this morning Habitat for Humanity had a holiday bazaar, and we went. And it's a craft. Well, it's not just crafts. There was people selling jewelry. There was food. There was one guy, I swear, his table mainly to me looked like he was having a yard sale. I don't know. I guess the things were new, but I don't know. It didn't really fit in with everything else. But there was crafts. I did check out a couple of crochet tables to see how they were doing. And, but there was a lady selling soaps. She makes her handmade soaps. Her soaps are called From My Soap Box. She told me she makes them all in her kitchen, and her soaps were $5 a piece, or 5 for $25. Was that right? Her soaps were $6 a piece, or 5 for $25. I got 5, of course, and I happened to get all Christmas themed ones. And as she's ringing me up, you know, we're finalizing, I'm like, these will be okay until next year. She said, yeah. She said they may even be lather better next year, because they, you know, have to set. So I'm like, okay, good. Because there's no way I'm using up 5 soaps this holiday season. So let me show you the ones I picked. Oh, they smell so good. I got Gingerbread Man. And do you see this little gingerbread man on top? Look how cute this little glycerin gingerbread man is. And yeah, the fragrance is gingerbread. From My Soap Box. Oh, it's got her name. Something Miller. I can't tell. It's her signature. What's her signature on there? That's nice. My husband picked up her card. I think he has it in his wallet. So so I don't have it in front of me. But yeah, I got Gingerbread Man. This one is what really caught me, the first one. It's Merry Christmas. This smells so good. The fragrance oil is Sleigh Ride, which I still don't know what that, but it's Sleigh Ride fragrance oil. It smells so good. And she showed me, it's a confetti soap, where she trims the sides of her soaps to make them nice and smooth. She'll take those trimmings and mix it in with some soaps, make the confetti soap. So there's other things mixed in here, but mainly it's Sleigh Ride. This has a slight peppermint. It's not a heavy peppermint smell. But yeah, so I got Sleigh Ride. I got Oh Christmas Tree. And this is pine scented. Oh, this smells like those or balsam type candles I love to burn at Christmas. That's what that smells like. It smells so yummy. And what to see? Christmas Wreath is the fragrance oil she used. Oh, yeah. And then I got Mr. Snowflake. Peppermint. I thought it started to say this one's more peppermint than the Merry Christmas. But this is, I smell peppermint, but it's not overpowering, but it is stronger than, there's other scents in this I can't quite put my finger on, but yeah. So, Mr. Snowflake. She had a ton more. I didn't need all the soaps. But then I got this glycerin soap, and this one is called Buckle Up. And look, she had one open you could smell, because this one's glycerin. It's also Sleigh Ride. So another one I got was Sleigh Ride. Was it this one? Yeah. So these two smell the same. Okay. But yeah, this one is Buckle Up. Isn't that cute? So from my soapbox, I don't know if she has, I think she said she has a Facebook group. I'm going to look that up. She might have a Facebook group. But yeah, those are the soaps I got. So that's really all I bought this weekend. A concealer, 5 Christmas soaps, and 4 Halloween candles. That's all you need, right? So, guys, I just wanted to get on here, film these, show you these, because I'm going to put them away for next year. Put the soaps away. Just pick out one and stick it in my shower. And so, guys, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.